Have you ever wondered if a simple waist trainer could make a difference in your daily fitness routine? Hi, I'm Emmy from Sendovska. Today I'm unboxing this new waist trainer for women in collaboration with the brand, who kindly sent me this product to share my honest opinion. Thank you to them for making this possible. Right away, it feels very sturdy but flexible. The material is high-quality neoprene, the same kind used in wetsuits. You can feel the thickness just by touching it. It is definitely more solid compared to other waist trainers I have seen. What stands out is the edgeless design. There are no harsh seams, so it should lay flat against the body without digging into the skin. It stretches nicely and looks like it can adapt to different body shapes. The inner side feels smooth but designed to hold heat well. You can see the stitching is clean and everything looks very well put together. It's lightweight when you hold it, which makes it easy to wear under regular clothes without adding bulk. The size fits waists from 24 to 38 inches. Just remember to measure your waist around the navel for the best fit, not your pants size. Care instructions are simple. You only need to wipe it down gently by hand after use. No need for machine washing. Overall, it looks like a strong and practical option for anyone wanting a little extra support during their fitness journey. It's compact, flexible, and easy to keep clean. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.